Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday. Hope your day is off to a wonderful start. Molly really wants some more food in her bowl, even though there is food in there. Just put it out there, but she really wants more.
You want more? You're gonna have to come for a hug then. Yeah, that's the price. Okay. Good girl. Let me give you a big hug. I love you. Okay, thank you for the hug. I will get that for you momentarily, Molly Cat. Momentarily. I'm just going to drink the rest of my chai from yesterday. Okay, Molly Cat. Okay, I'm gonna get it right now for you. There you go. Oh, you're welcome. That make you happy? Fresh water. Come here. You're not even gonna eat any of this or drink it? You just wanted it there? You don't even care about anything? I just filled all that stuff up for you because you were crying and screaming about it. Maybe she wants the window open? I don't know. Is this what you want? Hi. Does it feel good? Yeah. So good. So good. Okay, wow. Just doing laps, eh? Huh. Okay. I love you too. She won't stop. Not that I want her to. Okay, good girl. You got your scent all over me. All other cats are gonna know who I belong to, right? Done and done. All right, one last one for good measure. Okay. Good girl, Donkey. I love you very much.
Well, friends, it is currently 10:30 a.m. I have just spent this first part of my morning going through emails. I had like a bunch of follow-up stuff that I had to get out to my manager for branded stuff. And honestly, I don't have that much to do today. I have to edit the What I Eat in a Day, which you guys saw last Friday. If you watched that, tune in. I have to do that, and I have to do the thumbnail for that. Those videos do take a long time to edit though, so I don't suspect that it will be a short day just because I don't have too much going on. Those videos take quite a while. I have a private workout with Kaia, looking forward to that. And then after that, we're going to hop in the shower. I want to wash my hair and just freshen it up before tomorrow. Or should I wash my hair tomorrow morning? Actually, I think that's what I'll do. So my hair's not dirty, it just, I want it to be fresh before I leave tomorrow. Have I said that yet in this vlog? Tomorrow I'm leaving to go to Vegas. Me and my mom are doing a little girls trip. It's gonna be really fun. We're gonna be doing a lot of prep for that today. I have to pack and like get my ish together. Okay, so we won't wash my hair, but we will shower, and I want to apply some of my tanner. I want to microplane my face, get all the peach fuzz off of there. Microplane? Why can't I never remember what this is called? Dermaplane. It's dermaplane, not microplane. Going to get that done, and then we'll come back, work on editing, you know, get some lunch going, and then pack and stuff this evening. And that's sort of what we have coming up in this video. Yeah, and then Connor and I just plan on having a like chill night, just spend some time together because we actually won't see each other for quite a while, with both of us traveling tomorrow, and then I get back on Monday. But Monday morning Connor needs to take off to go to Austin, and he doesn't get back until Wednesday, so I will not see him until next Wednesday. He gets in at like 9 p.m. on Wednesday. Very sad that it's sort of timed up that way. Even like on Monday he has to leave early. I get back early. I get back at like 8:30 in the morning on Monday, but still he has to leave at 7:30. So we don't even get to like wave hello to each other at the airport or anything, which sucks. Time for the workout. As always, I'm trying to shove a Quantum bar in my mouth as quickly as possible. One, because I don't like working out on an empty stomach. It doesn't make me feel good. And two, because I need the energy.
Oh, we got some Bruno. Down to the right, up and over to the left.
This song, it's gonna send me into a new dimension.
I love it.
great workout. I got very spitzy. It was quite a challenge today, but in a very good way. And now I'm just making lunch. I'm heating up that like egg roll in a bowl thing that I made in my what I eat in a day. The leftovers of that. You know what we have to do tonight? Oh, we have so much to do. Neither of us can work late tonight. We have to play some It Takes Two,
100%.
which we're not going to get to for a while. And then we should finish Drive to Survive.
Oh, yes.
We have 2 episodes left.
And then there's a Survivor, too.
There's too much to do. We're going to have to stay up late tonight.
It's happening.
We're going to eat lunch outside because it's such a beautiful day. It's like 82 degrees out there right now. I can't wait.
I'm literally leaving the sandwich stuff out.
Look at where Molly's sitting.
Kitty in a corner? Are you a kitty in the corner?
Mom.
What are you doing? You're hiding? Yeah, in the jungle. Jungle kitty.
I am showered, I am fresh, I am clean. We are going to tan now, but before I tan, I want to use my Dermaflash on my face, pull off all the peach fuzz, dead skin. I want to do that before I tan because it does exfoliate, so it's going to pull off at least a bit of the tanner that I already have on my face. I tanned on Monday, but I figured since I was going to Vegas, I sort of wanted to like double up and get a little extra dark. So I can see tanner getting stuck on the blade of this, so I have to clean it off. Gotta moisturize now, but I'm just gonna use one in my bedroom when I'm tanning. Alrighty, we are tanned, and I don't know if everyone's this way. If you guys self-tan, let me know, but does everyone have a designated I just tanned thing that they put on? Because for me, it's this t-shirt. It's a dark color, so like it doesn't matter if there's any transfer, which there usually is while I'm like letting it set. It's also loose, so it won't like put any weird lines or like rub anything the weird way. You know, I have a very specific t-shirt that I wear. So this is what we're in right now. I thought we could maybe have a little chat while I paint my toenails because they need it. Not only are they just like so chipped and terrible, but also, you know, going on vacation tomorrow, and it's going to be really nice while we're there, so I'm going to be in sandals like the whole time. I'm going to be painting my toenails. I thought like this little creamy color. It honestly looks white once it's on the nails. It is like sort of a light pink. It is a Sally Hansen color called Pink Pursuit. I wanted to have a quick little combo with you guys. Kaia, the fitness instructor who I work with on all of my fitness classes, and we're just talking about how we sort of want to team up on a project together. We've talked about a lot of different ideas, and I think like a lot of them will come to fruition eventually. We want to start with something really simple that we could get as many people involved with as possible. And so we decided it would be fun to have her host a class for just me and my community. If you've missed any of my many rambles about Kaia, let me give you another short one because, as I said, there have been many of them. I have basically worked out with Kaia exclusively since last September. It is the first time that I've ever enjoyed working out. It's the first time that I've ever actually sort of craved doing it. Like on days off, I'm like, I could go for a workout, you know? And that is not me. I would have to force myself to work out. Oftentimes I couldn't get like more than one in a week because I hated it. Working out with her has really changed that for me. And that's why I want you guys to have the opportunity to work out with her. I do want to say, like, this was an instant obsession for me. Again, I'm not a kind of person who likes working out. So it was hard to get there in the beginning. It was hard to like show up and really give it a shot. But the more I did it, the more I fell in love with it. So here is the tea. On April 12th, which actually is my parents' anniversary, I am going to be hosting a class with Kaia only for our community. It's going to be a live virtual class at 3:30 p.m. PST, and I have a discount code for you guys, so you guys can take $5 off the class. So the class itself is only going to be $10. It's a 45-minute strength flow, which is typically around 30 to 35 minutes of working out, and then 10-ish minutes of stretching and meditation. After that, we're just gonna spend some time all hanging out. That way I can like chat with you guys a little bit and we can just sort of have a moment together, which will be really fun. A few things. First, you don't need any equipment. You literally just need like a place where you can work out and access to internet, I suppose, because it is online. It's hosted on Zoom, and you just need like a mat or even just a towel or something
that you can work out on. No other equipment is needed. You can use some light weights if you have them and want to use them, but you absolutely don't have to. I sort of switch back and forth about whether I use weights or not. Also, since it is like on camera, just know that you do not have to turn your camera on. People come to classes all the time and don't turn their camera on. I like to have mine on, mostly because I like to get feedback from Kaia, corrections on my form and stuff like that. But totally understand why people don't want to like work out on camera in front of people who they don't know. Totally understand that. So there is no pressure there either way. You absolutely do not have to. So that's sort of the tea. That's everything that I wanted to tell you guys about in regards to that. I'm going to have a link to the class down below, as well as the code. It's $5 off with Jill5. It does have to be in all caps, so make sure you enter it that way for the code to apply. We already have quite a few people signed up for the class, which is really exciting. So it's gonna be really, really fun. And I'm just excited to get to hang out with you guys during the class. It's gonna be great. Look at how cute Molly Cat looks right now. I'm dying over her. Hello, perfect girl. I love you. Love you. It is like 5:30 now, 5:45, I don't know, something like that, and I just wrapped up work, which means it's time to start packing for Vegas. So I'm gonna do like toiletries and stuff tomorrow, but I sort of wanted to nail down what clothes I was gonna bring. I'm actually going to be checking a bag, but literally not because I even want to or have to, I don't think. I typically, for a trip like this, would pack pretty light, but it's so hard with my curly hair to pack in a carry-on because all of my products, and I need my products, like you cannot skimp on them, are just too big, and so they can't, you know, go in a carry-on. So I am checking a bag. I get free check bags anyway, so I was like, whatever, let's just bring the stuff that you need because I know I'm gonna want it. But it is sort of annoying having to check a bag, obviously. All that being said, since I am checking a bag, I was like, might as well overpack because, I mean, if I'm gonna check a bag, might as well make it worth it. Okay, and that's pretty much everything that I need for the trip other than toiletries, which I'm gonna do tomorrow. So glad that I just got that out of the way. It's not even late yet. It's only 6:20 and time to start the relaxation. Dinner time. And sushi is on the menu, of course. It is Wednesday after all. We almost always have sushi on Wednesdays. So good. I'm so excited for this and so hungry. Oh, we are so tired too, you guys. Yeah. We're just knackered.
So much work.
Yeah.
So busy.
I know, so busy. And we're gonna put on the second to last episode of Drive to Survive as well.
But F1 season started, so there we go.
Yeah.
One door closes, another one opens.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I'm not gonna be vlogging the whole day today, but I just thought I would come in with a few little clips to wrap up this vlog. Just got out of the shower. It is a little before 9 a.m. Connor already left. He's off to the airport yet again today. So here's the deal. My mom is currently on a plane on the way to Los Angeles. I'm going to be picking her up from the airport around noon. We're gonna grab some lunch, come back here, drop off the car, grab my stuff, and then we are off on our girls trip. And then yeah, I don't think I'm gonna vlog the rest of the day today just because we get into Vegas at like 6 o'clock or something like that. So it'll really just be like grabbing dinner, a more chill time today. We're not gonna be doing that much. Oh, and a trip sounds incredible, much needed. I've been running around like a mad woman, you guys, trying to get everything ready, finish up some last minute work stuff, because I really don't want to work at all while I'm there if I can help it. I think I'm totally packed now, which feels really good. My carry-on's pretty much good to go. And I have about a half hour until I'm gonna go pick up my mom from the airport. She lands in 45 minutes. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see her. Can't wait for our trip. It's going to be such a blast. Time to double check the weight of her bag. I use this little tool here that you just strap in and then you lift and it will tell you how heavy it is. Perfect. I'm under. And it is surprisingly accurate. Usually this will be like the exact same number I get at the airport. I'll try to remember to link this down below because it's very, very handy for traveling. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Welcome to LA.
Can you let me in, please?
Yes.
Okay, we made it to Tony P's, which is where we're having lunch in the marina. It's such a beautiful view out there. Love it. Had to get the Mai Tai. The Mai Tai here is so good, and it is huge. I mean, like, look at my hand next to it. It's ridiculous. Mom got a mojito. Cheers. First drink of the trip.
Cheers.
To many more.
I'm sure many more.
Amazing. Lunch has arrived. I got the spicy seafood creole.
Lime everywhere.
Mom got the shrimp platter, which looks so good. Oh, I love it. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to dive in. Well, friends, I'm going to leave you here. Mom and I are about to head to LAX and off to Vegas. As I said, I'll be vlogging part of our Vegas trip starting tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that for the next vlog, and we will see you there. Bye, guys.